Hey guys, let's see how to reset this Tapo Smart Wi-Fi light bulb. There are two ways to do it. The first one is just come here to the Tapo app. If you have access to the light bulb from here, you just need to come here, tap on it, and tap here on the settings. And all the way down, you have the option to remove. Basically, if you remove here, you are resetting the Tapo Smart light bulb, right? That's the first way to go. And if you don't have access to this, you just need to come here and turn it off and turn it on 3 times, waiting 1 second between each turn it off, right? So 1, 2, and 3. Then you just turn it on again and wait for it to start flashing. When it starts flashing, that means the light bulb is reset. You see that's reset right now, and then you can start adding to your Tapo app again. So basically that's the way you can just reset a Tapo Smart Wi-Fi light bulb. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and give me a thumbs up. See you in the next one.